is where the good days begin. Morning light peeking through the glass, watching the sleepy city pass. The espresso machine begins to purr, waking my soul from the midnight blur. The roasted beans, a sweet perfume, chasing away the early gloom. A golden sunrise in a cup, lifting my heavy spirits up. A little sugar, a little cream, stirring awake a daylight dream. A warm mug resting in my hand, the simplest joy in all the land. Oh, coffee magic in the air, washing away the worrying care. Sip by sip we find our groove, letting the bossa